What's good, y'all? So today we just got the PR-4 that just came in, the new audio recorder that Deity just brought, and we unboxed it. I'm so excited that I finally got this. I ordered it a couple weeks ago, I think, and they finally got back in stock and shipped it out. But these are the Deity PR-4 recorder, has wireless and wired time code. And this is such an upgrade for me because I was using the Zoom F3. Love the Zoom F3, but I just hated the fact that I didn't have time code. When I got the Zoom F3, I wasn't using time code, so it didn't make any sense to me. But do love the Zoom F3. I'm actually using the Zoom F3 right now, plugged directly into my NTG3 to get the audio you're hearing from this video right now. So this is going to be my primary audio recorder. I think I'm going to end up buying a second one, so I have two. I have a backup, and I can use both of them on wedding days. But yeah, man, let's get straight into it. So I unboxed it. Came in this nice package. I'm probably gonna keep this box, but literally just opens up and boom, PR-4 is right there. I didn't know that the PR-4 actually has internal storage. So I think it's 64 gigs. Don't fact check me right there, but I believe it's 64 gigabytes of internal storage, which is huge. And then of course you can also throw in your SD card at the back here. So it takes MPF 550 batteries, but then right here you have an SD card slot where you can throw in your SD card. So essentially you can have backup. So if something happens to your SD card, you know internally you have the audio as well, which is actually pretty huge because, bro, to mess up audio, that's tough. To mess up some audio if your card gets formatted or anything like that. Also, you got your two XLR ports right here. I can plug my NTG3 directly into this, which is a beautiful thing. And it's real light and compact. Of course, I don't have the battery in it, so I ordered the one that didn't come with the battery. So I'm going to order an MPF 5 battery. I'm pretty sure I got some in my junky gear back there. But yeah, also, what else does it have? I mentioned it has time code. I also tested, I don't know if you got, so like, I already have the DDTC1 ecosystem. So like, and it's actually right here. So when you jam, uh, when you jam your TC1 into your camera and it has time code running, I can jam this too. But what I tested was I turned off the PR-4 for like 20 minutes and turned it back on and was still in sync. And usually like my PR2s and recorders, they do that as well. Like I can turn them off and turn them back on in a couple hours and they're still in sync. But I didn't know if this was capable. Like I said, I only tested it for 20 minutes. I didn't turn it off for an hour. But I'm pretty sure if it's the same ecosystem that I can do that as well. And I don't have to like resync it, rejam it. And if I do, bro, it's nothing to pop the phone open, hit the app, sync, and everything's good to go. But it is it is dope that it'll still be in sync with everything as well. Like I said, right now I don't have a battery for it, so what I'm gonna do is power it on with this small rig V mount, and it has a USB-C port. So I'm gonna show you all the ports in the back. So right here has the USB-C. I can't read. I think this is, what is this one? Because it's not facing me, but I think this one's time code, or this is the, I know y'all can read it. I can't see. Oh, let me just turn it around. You know what? Okay, got the headphone jack, the time code, input output, 3.5 millimeter, your Type C, which is what we're gonna plug in to get the this to turn on without a battery, and then of course your on and off button is at the top right here. But I just love how sleek this is. It's compact, tiny, and everything. Real quick, we're gonna plug it in. So back of the device, USB C, boom, plug it in, plug it in. Automatically the lights come on. Let me switch the on button on, and it's on. It's gonna should turn on here in a second, and it should pop up and say Deity. There it is. There she go. Dope. And right here you have 4 channels, but you do also have 6 tracks. So what happens? And these knobs are dope. So like I can actually control the gain through these knobs, and of course it has phantom power. And I can't plug my mic in right now because I'm using it to record this video. But so what I would do is plug my mic in directly here, and then I can read the output of, I can see the gain levels going in and out and see what everything is looking like. I'm trying to think what else I didn't mention that I thought was pretty dope. Let me just go through these settings. Ooh, 2 tracks. All I really need, bro. All I just needed was time code. I think the internal memory is really dope. And I'll definitely be using that. But yeah, man, these are PR4s. I'm excited to use these. It's gonna help me in my workflow so much better. And yeah, just wanted to do the quick little unboxing, give you guys my first little digest of it, and that's it. If y'all looking for a recorder, the PR4, if you have the time code, Deity time code already, works perfect. And then of course it works with the app as well. So I'm gonna bring up the Citus audio app and show you guys real quick. Reconnect, boom. So right here, right now, only thing I have turned on is my, yeah, I have it blue right here, is the PR4. It says PR4. And literally I sync everything with this button when I turn all my time code on. And if I want to start the record, if I want to start, oh, that's still the time code. That's still the PR4. If I want to start the recording, literally just click that red button and boom, it'll start recording. And right now, I don't even have an SD card in it. And right now, I don't even have an SD card in it. And it's just recording all of this storage internally. And I'll able to just stop the recording right here. And then, I gotta hold it down. And then I can play it back. I can go to, I forgot how to do it. I forgot how easy it is to hit record. Okay, if I go to file, folder, let me see. No. There's a way to go to the playback. I'm just still learning how to use it. I'll figure it back out. But I seen it earlier. I'm able to like play it back, look at the playback on it, and I'm sure. I wonder if I should be able to like put my headphones in and hear it and everything like that. But that's the PR4. If you guys like this video, follow, like, subscribe, and I'll probably do another video just showing some more tests with it and everything like that. But pretty simple. Audio recorder, has time code, has internal storage, compact, is Deity. That's it.